the Kitchen Exhaust Compliance Weekly, issue No. 1, published by Iron and Light. Raising the standard of knowledge in the kitchen exhaust industry. Featured code insight. When does NFPA 96 require cleaning? One of the most common misconceptions in the industry is that kitchen exhaust systems must be cleaned every 3 or 6 months. NFPA 96 does not require cleaning based solely on a calendar schedule. The standard requires that systems be inspected and cleaned when grease accumulation reaches levels that create a fire hazard. The commonly used quarterly, semi-annual, and annual frequencies are inspection frequencies, not automatic cleaning frequencies. A properly maintained system may require more frequent cleaning. A lightly used system may require less. The determining factor is grease accumulation and fire risk. The takeaway: never sell cleaning based on arbitrary timelines. Sell cleaning based on inspection findings and compliance requirements. Inspection photo of the week. What we found: heavy grease accumulation on fan blades and fan housing. Why it matters. Grease buildup on rotating fan components can reduce airflow, increase strain on equipment, and contribute to fire spread if ignition occurs. What inspectors look for: excessive grease deposits, evidence of grease runoff, missing hinge kits, damaged fan components, improper access for cleaning. Professional recommendation: every rooftop exhaust fan should be inspected during each cleaning cycle and documented with photographs. Contractor success story. A contractor recently began documenting every cleaning with before and after photographs, inspection notes, and digital service reports. Within 3 months, customer retention increased and referrals became more frequent. The lesson: customers trust documentation. The companies that provide proof of work consistently outperform those that rely on verbal explanations. Industry update. Restaurant operators continue facing increasing scrutiny from insurance carriers regarding fire prevention and maintenance documentation. Many carriers now request evidence of hood cleaning, inspection reports, and maintenance records during claims investigations. Contractors who maintain thorough documentation provide significant value to their clients beyond the cleaning itself. Ask the expert. Question: can a kitchen exhaust system pass inspection if it was cleaned recently? Answer: yes. A recent cleaning does not automatically indicate compliance. Inspectors evaluate the current condition of the system, accessibility of components, documentation, and whether grease accumulation remains in any portion of the exhaust system. Compliance is determined by condition, not by invoice date. Final thought: the most successful hood cleaning contractors do not compete on price. They compete on knowledge. When you understand the codes, document your work, and educate your customers, you become more than a service provider.